Hello students, now we shall look at the fourth numerical on energy and environment module 2. Calculate the cost of generation per kilowatt hour for a power station having the following data. Installed capacity of the plant is 200 megawatt, capital cost is 400 crores, rate of interest and depreciation is 12%, annual cost of fuel, salaries and taxation is 5 crores, load factor is 50%. Also estimate the saving in cost per kilowatt hour if the annual load factor is raised to 60%. So very nice numerical it is, because you can understand that when the load factor increases, then what will be the savings. Like for example, I can give simple example. You are having bikes. So if one person is going on the bike, the cost of travel is more. If two people are going on the bike, then the cost of traveling is less. Same simple logic, like load factor is something like this only. Okay. In car also, suppose in one person is traveling by car, then the cost of traveling is more. But if all five people are traveling in the car, the cost of traveling is less. So this is a simple example of load factor. Now he has given that installed capacity is 200 megawatt. The capital cost is 400 crores. Capital cost means the amount of money we have to invest to set up this power plant. First cost. Then every year you have to pay the interest and depreciation at the rate of 12%. Okay? This is fixed cost. Then because interest we have to pay, we have already borrowed 400 crores to set up this plant. And then the annual cost of fuel, salaries and taxation, this is a variable cost because it will vary. And the load factor is given as 50%. But if we increase the load factor from 50 to 60%, what is the saving? So this is being asked. So very simple it is. Now here they are not given the maximum demand. So what we will think? We will consider assuming that the maximum demand is equal to the capacity of the plant. The capacity of the plant is 200 megawatt. Okay. So load factor is equal to average load divided by maximum demand. So maximum demand I have assumed as the installed capacity itself, because it is not given. So load factor is equal to average load divided by maximum demand. 0.5 is equal to average load divided by 200. So the average load is 200 into 0.5, that is 100 megawatt. Means the electricity generated by this plant is 100 megawatt continuously for the year, that is 8760 hours. So the energy generated per year is equal to 100 megawatts, that 100 into 3, because I will convert megawatt into kilowatt, into 8760 hours. So it becomes 87.6 into 10 raised to 7 kilowatt hours. Kilowatt hour is nothing but units. Now the interest and depreciation, that is fixed cost, that is 12%, that is 0.12 into 400 into 10 raised to 7, because 400 crores I will write as 400 into 10 raised to 7. I multiply with 12% is 0.12. So you will get as 48 crores, that is 48 into 10 raised to 7 rupees. Now the annual cost of fuel, salaries and taxation is given as 5 crores. So that also I have to add to the total cost. So the total annual cost is 48 crores plus 5 crores, that is 53 crores. That is, I will write it as rupees 53 into 10 raised to 7. Now what is the cost of electricity per unit? So I am spending 53 crore rupees, that is 53 into 10 raised to 7, divided by how many amounts of units of electricity I am generating? 87 crores, that is 87.6 into 10 raised to 7 kilowatt hour. Okay. So the cost of electrical generation, power generation is 0.6, that is 61 paisa I am spending for generating 1 unit of electricity at a load factor of 0.5, at a load factor of 0.5. But if I increase the loading, to 0.6, that is 60%, what will happen? Now the average load is 0.6 into 200. Now instead of generating 100 megawatts, it is generating 120 megawatts. Okay. The energy produced is 120 megawatts into 10 raised to 3, it gets converted to kilowatt, into 8760 hours in a year, that becomes 105.12 into 10 raised to 7 kilowatt hours. So 105 crore units per year. Okay, the total cost remains the same because the cost of the interest is same, cost of the depreciation is same, salaries are same, taxation is same. Okay, so energy, the total cost will remain the same. So now to find out the cost of electricity is, I am spending 53 crore rupees same like earlier, 53 into 10 raised to 7 divided by amount of electricity generated is more now. Earlier it was 87 crore units, now I am generating 105 crore units. So that is 53 crores divided by 105 crores. The cost becomes only 50 paisa, 0.50 or 50 paisa. So you can see that earlier it was 61 paisa. Now when the load factor is raised from 50% to 60%, the cost per unit is 50 paisa. Hence the saving is 61 paisa minus 50 paisa, that is 11 paisa per unit. Please understand, the 11 paisa per unit is also big amount because we are generating 105 crore units per year. Okay, so this is how if the load factor increase, the capacity utilization increases, then the cost of power generation reduces. So these are the four numericals we have solved on next we will have economic analysis, and we will solve some problems on present worth analysis as well as future worth analysis. And already present worth analysis, some 3 problems I have uploaded on the YouTube. Kindly watch those theory as well as numericals, and we will add some more 3-4 numericals in the economic analysis part also. Thank you very much.